A Conservationist Lament, written by Kenneth Balding. Here, the writer wanted to talk to us about the conservation of environment. He comes as a root shock and a stern reminder of the damage we have caused the earth. As we know nowadays, we are consuming the elements of earth like we have never before. We never used to think about the future kids. This is a wake up call from the writer, from the poet, that the resources which has been given by God is not only for the us, is for the animals and the future generation as well. So the writer is saying the world is finite, resources are scarce, right? The world is finite. The world doesn't have the things which is going to be continue for long and long and long. It is going to stop somewhere, right? Resources are scarce. We don't have resources which is going to continue for the long. We are having a limited resources with us. Things are bad and will be worse nowadays. As we know, the things are bad. The things we are using, the environment reservoirs we are using are in the bad condition. और अगर ऐसे ही हम इसको यूज़ करते रहें, it is going to be worse day by day. Coal is burned and gas exploded. We human, for our use, for our industries, what we are doing is we are burning the coal, we are using the gas, we are exploding the gas, and because of that, forest we are cutting. We are uprooting the soil, we are cutting down the trees. Because of that, the animals, the birds are getting scared, they are getting depleted day by day. Wells are dry and air is polluted. Being an environmentalist, the writer is saying, the poet is saying that wells are getting dry and air is getting polluted. We are giving pollution to the Mother Earth, right? Dust is blowing, trees uprooted. Oil is going, ores depleted. Dust is blowing because of the pollution. There is dust everywhere, there is smoke everywhere, there is air pollution everywhere because of the fire. The forests are getting burned, the trees are getting uprooted. Everything is going to worse day by day. Drains receive what is excreted, right? Drains receive what we are getting is only the pollution. We are cutting down the trees, we are excreting the trees. Land is sinking because of the global warming. The land is sinking, land कम होती जा रही है, seas आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. We have studied that because of the global warming, गर्मी बढ़ती जा रही है. फ्रीजिड जोन की जो बर्फ़ है वो अप्रूट होती जा रही है, वो पिघलती जा रही है. Because of that, the seas are uprising. Slowly it will happen that whole world will be of the water only. So we have to conserve the earth, the Mother Earth, and the environment too. Man is far too enterprising. We are just believing in the business to get प्रॉफिट, बट वी आर नेवर थिंकिंग अबाउट द मदर अर्थ. अगर ऐसे ही हम काम करते रहें, अगर ऐसे ही जंगलों को काटते रहें, जंगलों को जलाते रहें, पॉल्यूशन करते रहें, तो इन फ्यूचर what we are going to get is only the worst scenario of the earth. Fair will rag with man to fan it. There will be nothing remain for the people. Soon we will have a plundered planet. Nowadays, if we talk about, because of this disease, because of this corona disease, we are at the home. Our car, our bungalows, our money, nothing is going to help us, right? But yes, the Mother Earth is healing day by day. Pollution is getting down. So what we have to do is we have to understand that if we are able to stay at a place without using these vehicles and without giving pollution to Mother Earth, we have to live as we are living nowadays. We have to control ourselves. We have to control to use all these resources has been given by Mother Earth to Earth, and we have to save it. If we are going to save it for now, then and then only in future we can use it in our future generation too. So here the writer is giving us alarm clock. He is giving us a wake up call that please stood up for the environment, stood up for the against the pollution and save the mother earth. So this is the explanation of chapter number 2, the conservationist lament.